2. 5 possible mechanisms behind CFDS. Now let's talk about 5 major mechanisms that may contribute to CFD, so you can better understand how CFD affects the brain. First, folate can't enter the brain properly. Normally, folate enters the brain through the blood-brain barrier, but when something disrupts that transport, the brain may still end up folate deficient, even if blood folate looks normal. One common issue involves the folate receptor alpha, or FR alpha. In some cases, the immune system can attack this receptor, making it much harder for folate to get into the brain. When folate can't reach the brain development and function are affected. This mechanism is often seen in immune-mediated cerebral folate deficiency, and it can contribute to neurodevelopmental delay, and in some cases, symptoms that resemble autism or even psychotic disorders. Second, not enough folate stored inside cells. Folate in the brain isn't just floating around. Neurons have a kind of internal storage system. They convert folate into more stable forms and store it inside the cell, almost like a small warehouse, so it can be released when needed to support critical brain functions. If that warehouse runs low, problems start to build. Neurotransmitter production can be disrupted, DNA repair becomes less efficient, and neurodevelopment can be affected, ultimately worsening CFDS symptoms. Third, the brain uses up reduced folate too quickly. The brain relies heavily on 5-MTHF, the reduced form of folate, to help make neurotransmitters and keep nerve cells functioning normally. If the brain's demand is unusually high, it may burn through folate faster than it can be supplied, leading to deficiency. Certain genetic conditions and some medications may increase folate demand or utilization in the brain. For example, some treatments used in Parkinson's disease have been discussed in this context. Fourth, increased breakdown of folate in the brain. It's not only about using folate, it's also about not breaking it down too quickly. In some diseases or under certain environmental stressors, folate may be degraded faster inside the brain, which lowers overall folate levels. One example is oxidative stress, which can become more severe in some conditions and speed up folate breakdown inside cells. Fifth, factors that disrupt folate metabolism in the brain. Finally, anything that interferes